guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I'm Serena. Welcome back to another video. And happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great Sunday. If you think why I'm looking so flushed and swollen up is because the title of the video says it all. Let's get into the video. Sunday talk is mostly about health conditions and what's been happening with me. So I thought I will be making, since I've not made many videos in the past few days. I made a video on last Sunday and now I'm making a video this Sunday. So what has been happening with me is the update that I want to give you. And also the Sunday talk topic is basically about health and health issues, conditions and stuff. From the past few days I am not keeping well at all. It's because of the weather changing, and it's because of not sleeping properly, and it's also because of just proper sheer head mental problem. The Sunday video I shot soon after on Monday. I thought I will be doing a video on a fun topic, and I shot for that topic also on Monday. And from Sunday night, actually, I could feel my throat. If this is my throat, there was something stuck on the walls of the throat. That is what I felt. So I was not keeping very well on Sunday night, and then on Sunday night I was not keeping well, and then on Monday I felt my throat burning and hurting. So I went to school on Monday because from Monday to Friday I was supposed to go to school due to some important works that was being given by my school to me, because soon after now we are going to have our pre-board exams. So that's the reason why they had called us from Monday to Friday. Then on Monday I was having weird health issues like head pain, back pains, spasms, sprains on my back, like sheer video anachi, and headaches and stuff. I was having weird health issues, and I was telling my friend on Monday that my throat is sort of hurting, what should I do? And she said go home and drink warm water. So Monday night the burning sensation was not being felt too much. On Tuesday I could feel the burning increase. It was not actually burning, it was like choking. You know what I mean? Choking, like sheer choking, like that. Tuesday night I started having a little not Tuesday. Tuesday night I started having breathing problem and I could not sleep properly at night. Wednesday I woke up, went to school, came back. On Wednesday, in fact, it started increasing even more. On Wednesday night, I was getting headaches, extreme headaches, eye burns. So I thought maybe it could be because of my eye power increasing. And then on Thursday morning, I went to school. I came back and that's it. I knew that I'm done for the week. On Thursday, my throat was like of no one's business. And my friends were like, go home, drink warm water. So that is what I did. On Thursday evening, I drank 2 glasses of hot water. At night, before going to sleep, I took ginger warm water. That's what I drank. Thursday night, I started having gas problem. Obviously for sure reasons, I was not eating unhealthy food, because before that 2 days I was fasting, and 2 days I was fasting, and of course I was not eating unhealthy. I was eating healthy food, vegetables and everything. I was not eating junk food as such. I was not eating junk food at all. Thursday night, I started getting gas. So then I was weird. I was thinking weird. I was like, what's wrong with me? First, I'm having like throat pain and stuff. And it was not really like throat pain. It was like a weird feeling, choke. And then I started ending up having 102 fever. On Friday morning, I started running to the toilet. Like, it's nothing so bad. It is human problems, so I'm not scared of saying it. And also, I'm discussing it more over because of the weather change that we are going through, the climate change. And if you tell anyone that what is happening with you, people will end up telling that you have COVID, which is scary. So then on Friday, early morning, like starting from 3 o'clock in the morning to probably like 7 in the morning, I was awake because I was running to the toilet. And it was very scary for me. Because I get these weird problems, like very rarest to the problems I get it. And then Friday morning, I didn't go to school because I was not well, obviously, for obvious reasons. And then I was better. In the morning, I was better. I went to the toilet so many times. So I started eating properly, like cooling foods. Now, the problem with me was, since I was having throat problem, I'm not supposed to eat cold foods. And since I was having dysentery, I was not supposed to eat warm foods because cold for my throat is bad, and if I eat hot things, for my stomach was bad. So I had to eat cooling food for my stomach, and I had to eat warm food for my throat. So can you understand the exchange of foods that I was going through? Somehow my mother managed and gave me good food for me to completely feel better. Then on Friday evening, I collapsed. So I was better by the afternoon. No, I was better by like 11, 12 o'clock. After lunch, for lunch, I ate chicken stew because it was plain chicken stew, like with vegetables and rice, like plain white rice, warm white rice. And then we played Ludo, all of us, like we played Ludo, that's like our main. But before that happening, I shot two interesting videos to upload on that very same day, whereas I wasn't enough to edit and upload. So I thought that if I make a video on Sunday, that will like completely tell what was wrong with me. Don't mind if my hair is going like back because it's breezy. Maybe then that's what I thought, that on Sunday if I make a video and tell what was wrong with me, you can probably understand why I was not uploading videos. Yeah, then we played Ludo after lunch. I was playing Ludo. As long as I was playing Ludo, I was like fine. I will not say that I was totally fine. I was okay. By the time we finished playing Ludo, I was dead because I could not sit because I had no energy whatsoever. I was like sitting and like nodding there, and I was playing Ludo. And often what happens is when we play Ludo, and if I come last, I get irritated. So if I come first, I feel happy. And I had come second in the game, and I could not feel anything. I was like, whoa, yeah. And literally I could feel, those movies that you see that someone hits you on your head or something, and you see 5 stars, or you usually like see people like talking to you like that. That was happening to me. Then I went off to sleep. At 5 in the evening, I woke up, and that's it. I knew that today is my last day of living. I went to the toilet, I collapsed. I came back on the bed. My mom like put perfume and she put cold water and everything with a hanky on my head. She wiped my hands and all just to make me feel fresh. I remember when she was doing that, I had collapsed once more, and she was waking me up, saying na. I had collapsed twice that day. And then at night, she gave me ORSL, the juice drink. I drank that like electrol water. And then for night, she gave me, opium. In Bengali, we say posto. Opium, like posto, she did that, and she made rice, dal, and mashed potato. She gave that to me. That is our traditional food if anyone of our family members have dysentery problem. So I ate that, and I could not, like, I had no energy left in my body to talk to anyone. Um, and then I went off to sleep at night. The next morning I woke up feeling a lot more better. It was Saturday, which was yesterday. Today I'm even more better, but my throat issue is still there. It's like not going completely. And my dysentery problem is gone, which I will not say is there. It sounds weird if I say if it's there, but it's not there. So these were like the weird problems that was happening. Now coming to the point is, guys, weather is changing. Please keep yourself hydrated. It is important to drink a lot of water. I don't know, even after drinking so much of water, how I ended up having dysentery. For some reason, I don't know what was happening, but drink a lot of water, guys. Please eat good, healthy, clean food. It's like, if you get a little fever, people are like predicting that you have COVID. Please, guys, eat healthy, eat proper. It's important to feel energetic at the end of the day. That is all I want to say, that having health issues is very scary, and this time especially I had weird health issues, because at the same time throat pain and dysentery. Can you imagine? I could not eat proper food. So you can see my lips and everything's dried up because of the fever inside. I still do have a little fever inside. So please keep yourself hygienic, healthy, eat healthy, work out, feel good, mentally be happy. It's important to be happy mentally. If you're not happy mentally, you won't be happy physically. You need to be very fit, because the weather is changing from winter to summer. The transaction is terrific. Drink a lot of water, drink a lot of fruit juices. Just keep yourself hydrated as much as possible. This is important. My Sunday talk was about health updates, health issues, health problems. I hope I've made myself very clear to you, and I hope that I have made myself clear to you, as in why I was not uploading videos so many days. And also one more thing, my exams are very close. My pre-board exams are starting from the 11th of March. So I don't know that I will be uploading many videos or not. Maybe after that period of examination, I may start uploading a lot more videos, but till then I think I will be a little irregular. My Sunday talks, I will try and shoot every Sunday. But that was, I think that is all I have to tell you, because once pre-board exam starts, I'll get a lot busier and I'll get a lot more engaged into taking care of my health, because if I'm not well, I won't be able to give my exams. So that was it, and there is nothing to enjoy this video. I just gave you a health update. But please keep your family and friends aware of what is happening with health problems, and what is happening with the weather and stuff, so that they are careful, and you should be careful, and I should be careful, and all of us should be careful. That was it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you probably very soon. Until we meet, doodles.